Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Chandana, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about how you lose the ability to manifest, or how you end up deleting your manifestations midway and then you start wondering why something hasn't yet come, although you've been spending years and months manifesting something that you really want. Okay, so a very critical thing that we do is if we break the promises that we keep to ourselves and to others. Okay, this is the biggest factor that does not allow your manifestations to manifest. Okay, so if you're going to keep a big vision board and you lack the ability to keep promises to yourself and to others, or you're making promises constantly that you're not able to fulfill, this is going to drop your power, or drastically decrease your power to manifest anything that you want. It can be a house, a car, a particular kind of partner, a job, whatever it is, manifestation in general. All right, because what happens is when we fail to keep promises we've made to ourselves or we've made to somebody else, we start losing, number one, you start losing your commitment towards it. Okay, then the second thing is you start losing willpower towards it. As a result, losing an essential form of energy that is required for this manifestation. Okay, and also what happens when we can't keep promises, or we substitute those promises with something else, then you lose focus and clarity, which means the intensity of your power and the direction of that power is now lost, because it's going in all four directions. So let me give you a very easy example of how this can happen. Okay, suppose you want to manifest a particular car of a particular series. Okay, be very specific with your manifestation. What color it is, the number plate, if you can go that deep, which company it is, all these kind of things, what features it has, or the series it belongs to. Okay, and then you happen to see another car which you like more than the first one. So what happens now? Your focus is completely shifting. So the universe doesn't know what is it that you want anymore, and therefore your manifestation never comes through. Okay, no matter, now it can only understand you want a car, but you see, when you're manifesting, your manifestation has to be specific. Okay, it has to have intensity and it has to have power. Okay, so if you lack these three things, the manifestation is not going to come through. So why do I connect this with promises to yourself and to other people? Because you see, the universe also mirrors you. You understand the fundamental principle of a manifestation is vibrating on the same frequency of something that you want, correct? Is it not? So now when you make a promise, you're already starting to vibrate on that frequency that you are committing to, that you want. Okay, to yourself or to somebody else. So when you keep breaking these promises, you are losing that very power and ability to manifest. Okay, and this is one of the very big reasons why people aren't able to manifest, among others, but this is not easily known to people. Okay, so it doesn't matter what the promise is, whether you're going to wake up early in the morning, or you're going to commit to a workout, or you're going to commit to a diet and follow through with it. Don't do it one day and then not do it another day. You know, if you're sticking something, stick through with it. Make sure you fulfill it, because the other principle of the universe is as above, so below. Okay, the universe also will start mimicking you. So what happens if you don't keep promises made to yourself or others? The universe is not going to keep promises that it's going to make to you in the form of manifestation. So if the universe has said, okay, I will give you, a 5-bedroom mansion and 4 luxury cars, that's not going to happen at all. You may not even get any house for that matter. Okay, you may end up living in a rented house. Okay, so this is a very critical thing that you need to understand for manifestation. That's it I have for today, and let me know in the comments, or give the video a like if you liked it. And until next time, take care, bye-bye, and happy manifesting.